This video discusses yield-to-maturity bond pricing. Yield-to-maturity pricing is the oldest method of bond pricing and the most commonly used method outside of actual bond traders, but it's not the method used by bond traders. Bond traders determine the price using the no arbitrage or yield curve methods, and yield-to-maturity is a way of conveying to investors, given the price they pay, how much return they get over the life of the bond if they hold it till maturity. The convention is that the price is X coupon. That means the price is on a coupon date after the coupon has been paid. Usually, bonds are priced with a yield to maturity that reflects semi-annual compounding, so there's a payment every 6 months, and they're priced as ordinary annuities. This gets you the value on each coupon date. Between coupon dates, we have to account for a partial period of discounting using the yield to maturity method. There are a variety of different ways of doing this. I will cover the most common version of that in a separate video. For the class, we'll just assume that pricing is always on coupon dates. If you think about the cash flows for a coupon bond, there are a series of coupon interest payments and a par value or future value paid at maturity. There are two different versions of common notations for bonds, CPN, short for coupon, or payment, short for payment, and future value. There are also two common conventions for the yield, Y for yield, or R for return. So the bond pricing formulas that you'll see out there are usually some version of an annuity formula with coupons or payments and Y or R for the return. Well, this is what your calculator was designed to do. So for example, if you have a coupon bond with payments of $1.75 every 6 months for 2 years, 4 periods, and the yield to maturity is quoted at 1.7524, the price can be found by taking the periodic payment divided by the periodic return. Now the periodic return is the annual yield divided by 2. Now this payment stream goes for four periods and then quits. So this is the value of the annuity of the 4 coupon payments. There's an additional payment at maturity of $100 that needs to be discounted back to today. By the periodic rate 4 times. And you can do this in your calculator pretty easily, or you can use the annuity functions in your calculator. So this is a 4 period, n is equal to 4, bond, with payments of $1.75 payment every 6 months, plus an additional face value payment of $100 in the future value 100. The interest rate in decimal form is 0.0175. In percentage form, it's 1.7524. Remember, your calculator always takes percentages. This is the annual rate. The periodic rate will divide this by 2. So the interest rate we'll put in as 0.8762, half of the annual rate. Compute the price, 103.42. The reality is, most of the time you're actually going the other way. What you'll be putting in is the present value, clear, 103.42. That's how much it will cost you, negative cash flow, as the price today. and you'll compute the periodic interest rate to get the annual interest rate multiplied by 2, 1.75, to rounding 4. So that is bond pricing using yield to maturity.